How Management Office handle incident reports in Proffis. Follow this step-by-step guide to manage incident reports in Proffis. Select the Proffis Homes icon. Select Manage. Select the Incidents button from the dashboard to view the incident reports. Or select the Incident Report button located on the sidebar to view the incident reports. The full details of incident reports will be displayed on this page: type of incident, date and time, location, name of reporter, unit, description, image. The reports are categorized into 4 sections: received, in progress, completed, rejected. For example, there are several newly reported incident cases displayed in the New section. Select any of the cases to view full details of the new incident. Management Office may select the Dismiss button to dismiss the incident report if the Management Office does not accept the incident report as a valid report. Select the Proceed button to indicate that this report has been accepted and the Management Office will respond to the incident report. The report will then be moved to In Progress tab. All the In Progress incident reports can be viewed under the In Progress tab. MO may select the Add button to add the tasks required for the incident report to be carried out by the respective maintenance teams or subcontractors to have a better follow-up. MO may select the Delete button to delete the task due to the following reasons: wrong information, changes in follow-up, other applicable reasons. Select the Small Tick button to indicate that the task has been completed. Select the Photo button to upload up to 4 photos of the In Progress task and select the Next button to save the photos. When the Done button is selected, the incident report will be moved to the Completed tab. In the Completed tab, select the arrow down button to expand and view the progress pages of completed incident reports. Select the Clear History button to erase all the completed incident reports in the viewing page. Select the Yes button to confirm. A message, Successfully Cleared Completed Incidents, will appear.